Before you are being carried away by the nice looking bats, it is important to know the risks associated with BBL. Studies have shown that 1 in 3,000 people die from BBL as a result of fat embolism. So this video is specifically for those that are yet to venture into BBL. I want you to know everything you need to know about BBL, the processes that goes through, the procedure that is done in order for you to complete a BBL. BBL is actually called Brazilian butt lift. Now, this is a cosmetic surgery or procedure that is done in order to enhance the shape and size of your buttocks. How is this procedure done? Basically, there are 4 divisions. First one is anesthesia. Second one is liposuction. Three is purification. And the fourth one is injection. Let's move straight into each of these processes. So the first one is general anesthesia, where we will inject you with an anesthetic agent and it will knock you off. BBL is very painful, so you shouldn't be active while this procedure is ongoing. And these general anesthesia too have their complications. There are certain points in time that people have general anesthesia and you couldn't come back alive again. Then the second thing is liposuction. Liposuction is where the fat is being harvested from either your belly or your thigh or other areas of your body, and then you will transport it from that part of your body to your buttocks. Next thing is purification. So with the purification, they need to remove the bad fats from the good one. Then the last one is the injection process. This is the most serious one. At this point, when it is not done properly, it is that one that can lead you into having fat embolism. So with the injection process, this is where they will be injecting the fat, the processed fat, small into your buttocks according to layers, so that you'll be able to have that nice looking butt or buttocks. And when they are poking your buttocks, they can end up poking one of these blood vessels. And when fat is being deposited into the blood vessels, they are being transported to other areas and it will cause fat embolism. The second complication is infection. The injected fat now begins to be infected, and when it is infected, it leads to something we call fat necrosis. Yes. Then also the third thing that is likely to happen is bleeding. If the blood vessels are being poked, it might cause major bleeding. So that is also one complication. Then the next thing is asymmetry. Sometimes if the person doing it is not that skilled, the layers are not being put accordingly, and it might lead to asymmetry. You see that some parts will be higher than another. Yes, that is what we call asymmetry. Okay, so let me answer some common questions that people ask about BBL. The first one is, do we inject your own fats? Yes, that's what I explained. You will have a certain fat from areas of your body and then we will inject it to you. Some also ask, do we inject air into your buttocks? No, it is fat, not air. The third question that people ask is, in BBL, do we inflame a balloon and put it inside your buttocks? No, it is not inflated balloon. It is your fat. So this is what you need to know about BBL. Before you venture into it, you should know all this, because a lot more people are dying as a result of this cosmetic procedure, which is called BBL. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.